Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious cotton candy shake. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of cold milk, 2 generous scoops of vanilla ice cream, and about 1/4 cup of fluffy cotton candy. Don't forget a small dash of vanilla extract to enhance the flavors. Having your blender ready and any fun garnishes, like whipped cream or sprinkles, will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get blending. Carefully pour your 1 cup of milk into the blender, followed by the 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Add that dash of vanilla extract next. Then, gently add your 1/4 cup of cotton candy, breaking it into smaller pieces if needed to help it blend easily. Secure the lid and blend on high speed for approximately 30 seconds, or until your shake reaches a perfectly smooth and creamy consistency. Your delicious cotton candy shake is almost ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the thick, creamy mixture from the blender into your favorite tall glass. For an extra special touch, generously top your shake with a swirl of whipped cream. You can also add a small, fluffy piece of cotton candy or some colorful sprinkles on top as a decorative and fun garnish. This makes it look as good as it tastes. To ensure your cotton candy shake is always perfect, here are a few helpful tips. Always use very cold milk and well-frozen ice cream. This helps achieve that wonderfully thick and creamy texture. Don't be afraid to experiment with various cotton candy flavors, like blue raspberry or grape, to create your own unique taste sensations. Remember to serve your shake immediately after blending to savor its optimal texture and delightful flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.